Looking for the best electric brooms? In this video, we've selected the top electric brooms for quick and easy cleaning around your home. These lightweight and powerful tools are perfect for picking up dust, crumbs, and debris with effortless convenience. Starting at number 1, Roomie Tec SlimVac. The Roomie Tec SlimVac cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerful and lightweight cleaning solution designed for convenient everyday home use. Equipped with a 2200 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers strong suction performance for effective cleaning of dust, debris, and pet hair on various surfaces. Its 2-in-1 design easily converts from a stick vacuum to a handheld unit, making it versatile for floors, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. The bagless filtration system ensures easy maintenance, while the 6 LED headlights help illuminate hidden dirt in low-light spaces. With an auto-recharge station for added convenience and a lightweight build for effortless handling, the SlimVac offers efficient and user-friendly cleaning for modern households. Number 2. Kenmore Elite 10441. The Kenmore Elite 10441 pet-friendly 25V ultralight cordless stick vacuum is a high-performance cleaning solution designed for powerful and convenient home maintenance, especially for pet owners. Powered by a 25-volt rechargeable battery, this ultra-light cordless vacuum delivers strong suction through a dual motorized brush system for deep cleaning on carpets, rugs, and hard floors. It includes the Pet PowerMate attachment to effectively remove pet hair and dander from furniture and tight spaces, while the HEPA filtration system helps capture fine dust and allergens for cleaner indoor air. The telescoping wand and detachable handheld vacuum add versatility for above-floor cleaning, stairs, and car interiors. With its ergonomic design and cordless convenience, this vacuum offers efficient, whole-home cleaning performance. Number 3. Black+Decker BDASL202. The Black+Decker BDASL202 air swivel upright vacuum cleaner is a compact and easy-to-use cleaning solution designed for efficient everyday home maintenance. Featuring an ultra-lightweight design, it allows for effortless maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces, making cleaning less tiring and more convenient. The air swivel technology provides enhanced steering control, enabling smooth navigation in multiple directions for improved reach and flexibility. Its powerful suction system is effective for picking up dust, dirt, and debris on both carpets and hard floors, while the bagless design ensures quick and simple maintenance. Ideal for small to medium-sized homes, this upright vacuum combines lightweight construction with practical performance for hassle-free cleaning. Number 4. Eureka NEC 122A Power Plush. The Eureka NEC 122A Power Plush 2-in-1 stick cordless vacuum is a versatile and convenient cleaning tool designed for quick and efficient home maintenance. Featuring a 2-in-1 design, it easily converts from a stick vacuum to a handheld unit, making it ideal for cleaning floors, furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. Its rechargeable cordless operation provides freedom of movement without the hassle of cords, while the lightweight build ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Designed with strong suction performance, it effectively picks up dust, dirt, and everyday debris from various surfaces. With its sleek gray, blue, and violet finish, this vacuum combines practicality with a modern design, making it a great choice for everyday household cleaning. Number 5. Dirt Devil Razor. The Dirt Devil Razor upright bagless vacuum cleaner is a powerful and lightweight cleaning solution designed for efficient home use on both carpets and hard floors. Featuring strong suction performance, it effectively lifts dirt, dust, and debris for a deeper clean across multiple surfaces. Its swivel steering design allows for easy maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces, making cleaning more convenient and less time-consuming. The bagless design simplifies maintenance by allowing quick and mess-free dirt disposal, while its corded power ensures consistent suction without battery limitations. Compact yet effective, this upright vacuum is a practical choice for everyday household cleaning needs.